In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit photos, thumbnails, banners, images in Canva. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can create eye-catching thumbnails, clean banners, and polished images without getting overwhelmed. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar at the top, type YouTube thumbnail. Select one of the ready-made templates. This ensures your canvas is the correct 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the standard size, so your thumbnail looks sharp and fits perfectly on YouTube. Choose a template that matches the mood you are going for, then add your photo by uploading it or dragging it in. Click the image, open Edit Photo, and apply BG Remover to isolate your subject from the background. Once the background is removed, create that punchy pop-out look with an outline. Go to Shadows, pick a style like glow or drop shadow, and adjust the size, transparency, and blur. Choose a high contrast color. White or a brand color works well, and reduce blur if you want a crisp sticker. Style Edge. Reposition the subject for balance and make sure important details don't overlap any text in your design. For banners, head back to the Canva homepage and search for banner. Pick from templates made for LinkedIn, YouTube, or web ads. Selecting the right template gives you the exact dimensions for each platform, so nothing gets cut off. Open a design you like. Then use the Elements tab to bring in photos, icons, shapes, and frames. Shapes help create sections and emphasize headlines. Icons support your message without clutter. Frames let you drop images into circles, letters, or other silhouettes for a clean, consistent look. Keep spacing generous, align items to a simple grid, and choose colors that contrast enough to keep text readable. Anytime you want to refine an image, click it and select Edit Photo. Use brightness to lift or darken the overall exposure. Contrast to add punch between lights and darks, and saturation to control how vivid the colors appear. Small changes go a long way. Nudge sliders gradually and compare before and after. If you prefer a quick, unified style, apply a filter. Then fine-tune with brightness, contrast, and saturation, so skin tones look natural and text stays clear. Aim for consistency across all your visuals so your brand feels cohesive. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.